One of the things that I'm speaking on at this IT financial management conference in Santa Fe that I'm incorporating into my talks is positive psychology. Why? Because it makes us more money. No, it does do that, but that's not why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because it makes us happier. It helps us treat each other better. And it so happens that that in turn will make us more money. There's an example of a business that wanted to expand and take the next step and get people working on new projects. And instead of sitting in a boardroom and coming up with the ideas and all that planning, they said that they were just going to let all the employees do whatever they wanted. Why? Because they knew, and research has been helping prove this, that if people are doing things for the sake of achievement and enjoyment, that is what is going to open up and unlock their productivity, their creativity, right? Their energy, their motivation, and better harmony among the team, which then in turn helps a company grow and make that greater income.